Hey guys, it is Stocklock Sunday, and today I have this. Oh, let's look it up. I don't have a key for it. It's a Yale wafer lock. Beautiful, beautiful old lock. Love it. I think I got this from William Mansell, if I remember correctly. And yeah, let's see if we can get this thing open. Let's end out with SPPing. Let's start out with some raking. Oh, there we go. That was not hard. Let's see if we can zip it open. Oh, it was stuck. And open. Let's try to rock it. Come on. Try again. And we have it. Alright, now let's try to SPP it. That be damned. It wasn't that hard first time. I tried to pick it when I got it last week, I think it was. It just flew open. Maybe we should use the vise for this one, even though it's sideways. Maybe that makes it easier for you guys to see what I'm doing. I've never tried to pick sideways before, so let's try that. That is fun, I guess. Can't be that much harder. let's just say that raking, rocking and zipping was much easier than this. Come on. Ah, there we go. Finally. All right. It's picked open. Beautiful. Now it can go to the other padlocks in my collection. All right, guys. That's all for this Stock Lock Sunday. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic Sunday.